Hi guys, today I want to talk about one of the easiest low-hanging fruits you can implement today to get more revenue with your CRM. And it has to do with the inbound leads, people who fill in requests to talk to your sales team. Most people are aware of this issue, but they don't fix it correctly. So what the data says is like basically if someone comes on your website and make a request to talk to sale or have a demo, the faster you contact them, the more likely you are to win the sales. And the data is pretty high, right? So according to Harvard, if you contact within 60 seconds, you are almost 4 times more likely to close the deal than if you contact within 30 minutes. And most teams, like I guarantee you can pull the report inside your CRM right now. Most team contact within 1 day, right? With the way just automatic sequence, the best thing if someone requests is actually a call, right? First call, then email, then LinkedIn, right? That's the order of preference. I'll show you exactly on this video how to do it correctly to actually increase your conversion, right? So what most people do, right? They have a big form. People come, they fill in the form. It goes inside the shared inbox, and whenever people are connected, they get distributed the leads, and then they contact, and maybe it arrives too late, so they contact the next day, and then they lose a lot of opportunities this way, and it's such an easy fix, right? So I said that most people contact with more than 1 day, but the average is actually 47 hours. So it's so easy to fix, and it's such a low-hanging fruit, especially if you have a high ticket. You really need to fix this today. Before going to the 3 steps to fix it, there's actually 3 issues. The first one is the amount of field that you have on your form. Especially now with all the AI and enrichment tools that are available on the market, you don't want to ask too much because the more you ask, the less likely people are to fill the form. I think for every extra field, it's like 8% less of form submission. So you want to restrict to the minimum, which would be maximum 3 field, right? So business email address, if you're in B2B, business email address, and maybe 1 or 2 details that you actually need that you cannot enrich, right? Because you will increase the amount of leads so much that even the few leads that you cannot enrich properly, you will get more qualified lead in total in the end anyway, right? So that's the first thing. You fix the form. Then as soon as someone fills the form, you enrich everything that you need, and then you route to the right person, right? You fix the form. Obviously, we're going to filter the spam, do ICP check, etc., enrich, but it goes very quickly with like Clay. Even natively in HubSpot, you can already do a lot, and then route the right person so that they call within 60 seconds. So as I was saying, first step, form, kill it, just do like one. If you can do just one, like just work email, it will change your life already. Just this. And then enrich. Second thing is you enrich, right? So you can do just with HubSpot. If you start, Clay is actually a bit better. You have more coverage because you can use, like a waterfall of enrichment if you don't find in HubSpot. So you enrich, you check that it's ICP, you filter out spam, and then you activate, which means like instantly, if it's business within business hours, there should be a SDR that just like call directly within 60 seconds. Even if you have to hire like a junior SDR to just do this, that would like already make your ARI on the salary. So yeah, you have the work email, you enrich with Clay, you pull up the full profile and activate. And now you call them. So the first order, depending on enrichment, the first order is to call them if you can get the number. That's the best thing. If you cannot get the number, send them an email, but like a one-on-one email. And if you cannot get the email, send a LinkedIn request, right? And yeah, that's pretty simple. That doesn't require you to have any extra leads. Right? You don't have to pay for more traffic. It's actually getting more money of what you already got. And again, that's one of the first things I like to implement when I work with a client, because that's one of the easiest fix to go like very quickly and get new leads. Like I have clients who have ticket of 200K, right? Average ticket of 200K. You imagine just having 1 or 2 extra sale a month. It's such a big difference, and it's just from a simple, easy fix. And so if you want this type of thing implemented in HubSpot, so what I do, right, I have 8 years of experience in HubSpot. I used to work in HubSpot. I work with over 60 customers on the HubSpot in different industry, mostly B2B, recently some B2C. But what I do is take your HubSpot and rebuild it to activate more revenue. So I'm going to come with you. You can send me a message. We can look at your HubSpot and see what revenue is slipping in the HubSpot, right? What revenue you cannot see, you cannot activate, that would actually be possible to generate without getting any new leads or doing more marketing. Hope it helps, and shoot me a message. Talk to you soon.